Let's start this gig. A nice picnic lunch. That way, Christina. We go. Now we're on the other side of the mountain.
He's a famous cyclist. Somebody was a big fan.
You want to go for a hike? No? This is service. Look at that. What's your name?
Davide.
Davide.
This town, San Baronto,
San Baronte.
in the center of Tuscany.
What are they? Kaki. Doesn't sound very appealing. Tastes good. I guess it's not that rugged if cars can come up here. I know where we are. End of day one.
It's an archaeological site dating back to the Tuscans.
On the top of Tuscany. You can break trail and catch all the spider webs for a while. This is a Tuscan forest. Kind of. This is a single track footpath and mountain bike trail. At least they don't have electric bikes. They're doing it the old-fashioned way. There's lunch, sandwiches, and flowers. All right, you go first in case the dogs come out.
No, no.
Okay, I'll go first. Artimino is in 45 minutes, you know. Well, it looks like we've reached civilization. All goals hit. All right. Almost there. That's it. We made it.
Artimino.
Are we done?